Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Avalon water cooler water filter. So it was really easy to install. I did install a water line to mine, so mine doesn't take bottled water. It's going to take water from my house and then filter it. So it's got this little 1/4-inch tubing for like ice maker that you need. Then I'll show you around back, but water's going to come in, get filtered. You've got cold, cool, and hot. But there's 3 switches right here. One's for nightlight, one's for the heater, and one's for the cooling element. So I got all 3 switches on. The heating element is on right now. That's because it's heating up the water. The cool, you can hear the refrigerant on. It's making the water cold. I really do love this cool setting. That's the perfect temperature for me. Now I don't have my temperature probe right now, but the water comes out is just above a cup of ice. I like how the stream is nice and thick, and cold is the same. Now cold is really cold. It's like it's been in a cup of ice for a long time. Now you got this lock here. You got to move this over to get the hot water to come out. Now again, be careful, the hot water is really hot. Now the drain here, this is all the water, if it spills, will be captured here. You don't have to hook a drain up to it. You can just take this over to your sink and empty that out. There is a little red thing that's going to pop up right here to let you know that this is getting full. Now it's super easy. Here's the filters. We've got one for carbon and one for multi-layer sediment. It even comes with this fixture for flushing the filters out. When you first get them, especially the carbon filter, it's going to have a bunch of carbon dust in it. So you can hook the water line, take the water line off the back of the unit and put it here, and then put this into a bucket, and then put your filter on here, and you can run a bunch of water through it and get the filter ready to go. I like that there's a leak sensor. So if something starts leaking in here, this little sensor is going to start flashing all these lights to let you know that there's a leak. The filter reset button is right here. I think it's right. Yeah, it's on the back. You're going to hold that for about 5 seconds. These are super, just quarter turn and they come right out. Very easy. This was all plumbed. You just had to put the filters in. It's all plumbed, ready to go. You just got to hook a water line into the back right here on the other side. And it's all got these push fittings in, and then you put the lock on the collar. It does have the night light. I've got the night light on. When you've got it on, it's on all the time, and it's a nice light, but you can turn the night light off. And again, what you're hearing now is the refrigerant kicking on to make this cool. Once the water gets cool, that will turn off and the unit is very still. Now around back, it does have a cord. You got to plug the cord in. Here's where the water line comes in. It does come with this water line. It's the same water line as like an ice maker takes. So you're going to push it in here and then put this little locking collar on. This is for when you want to do cleaning at a later time. But here's the 3 switches. And the words here correspond. So this is the night light. This is the cold. So when it ships, only the cold is on. And this is for heat. So if you don't want the heating element to work, turn that off. If you don't want the night light, but this one has to be on to get cold water. Now it does need a little bit of ventilation on the back. These coils do get a little warm to kind of dissipate the heat from the refrigerant. So you need just a little bit of space back here. You'll get that whenever, because this can't be super tight. All right, let's do some measurements. So from the size a cup can fit is about 10.5. There, the refrigerant one kicked off, and I turned the heating element off. So now the unit is really still. So about 10.5. You know, the spout sticks out about 2 inches. I do wish this was a little bit wider, but normally you're just holding a water bottle to fill it up, but you can set it there. The stream does come right there. So you can set something there, but normally I kind of hold it and press it. I like that it's got a super quick stream, fills up really, really quick. It's just a really nice unit. Simple. It was so easy to put in. It came in a big cardboard box. It was very protected. I was worried that it might have been damaged or something, but nope, it had a lot of protection, so shipping was okay. You know, I put mine on a platform. Stands right at 41 inches. You could put something on the top if you wanted to. You know, front to back, the unit's only about 14.5, but you're gonna need probably about 19 inches, maybe 17 inches, you know, and left to right, 12 inches. So So I'm extremely happy with this. I've been using this now for about 3 months and it works really well. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.